morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of computers, class 4th and lesson number 4. Lesson name is Logo 1, part 1. In this chapter, Dobo says Tobo, are you a machine or a human being? He is a Dobo and he is a Tobo. Dobo says, are you a machine or a human being? Then Tobo says, what do you think? Am I a machine or a human being? Then Tobo says, I think you are both, half a machine and half a human being. Dobo says, Tobo, I am familiar with the machines that we use are in our day-to-day life. Tobo says, computer is also a special machine and is different from other machines. Uses of computer. We all know that computer is used in everywhere to draw drawings and shapes as you draw in the Tux Paint or MS Paint. It is used for calculations. Computer is used to watch movies, listen to music and play games. As you all watch the movies using YouTube, your school videos, and listen to music and play games with the help of the computer, your laptop, your phone. It is also used to send and receive mails and chat with friends and many more. A computer does many things for us. We can draw anything, we can solve the sums, we can play music with the help of computer, we can show movies, we can chat with our friends, send and receive messages and play games. Dobo says, but a computer does not understand our language. How can we speak to it? Then Tobo says, it understands many languages known as computer languages. Then we must understand computer languages. Then Tobo says, sure, I can help you. Let's learn Logo, which is a computer language. It is easiest to learn and fun to use. So today we will start Logo language, that is computers language, so that we can talk with computer. Tobo says, Dobo, come and meet my friend Turtle who will help us work with Logo. Look, this is a turtle. Hi Dobo, I can help you to draw, print and calculate on a computer. But remember, I don't understand your language. I can understand only language. This is the turtle. He only understands computer language, that is Logo language. Logo stands for Language of Graphic Oriented. And who started Logo? Logo was developed by Seymour Papert and his colleagues. How to start a logo? When you download the logo in your computer, click on the Start button, then go to All Programs. There will be a PC logo. You have to click on PC logo. This window will open when you will open the PC logo. This is a turtle. What is a turtle? Turtle says, I am a special cursor on the screen. When I move, I leave a trail behind me. In center of this is a screen, and center of the screen there is a turtle. And this is the command prompt, command window, where we will write our commands, our instructions. How can we move the turtle from one point to another point, or how can we change the direction of the turtle. Question mark is the logo prompt. Every logo command begins with this symbol, and my home is in the center of the screen. Wherever the what is the home of the turtle? Center of the screen. And instructions given to me are known as commands or primitives. Whatever instructions we will give to this turtle, it is known as commands or primitives. Let's learn some of the logo primitives or logo commands. First is forward command, or we can say it's a FD command. This command tells the turtle to move forward by the specified number of steps. One must specify the number of steps with FD command. The syntax is FD, and how many number of steps you want to move with the turtle you want to write here. Example FD 50, and this is the syntax of symbol of the enter key. Look, we had written question mark FD 50. We want to move turtle to move 50 steps. Before moving 50 steps, turtle was here, and turtle move 50 steps forward, backward. In the same way, this command tells the turtle to move specified number of steps in the backward direction. What is the syntax? BK backward and number of steps. BK 50. Turtle was here. We had given the command BK 50 and press the enter key. Turtle came backward 50 steps. Right turn. This command turns the turtle to the right direction by specified angle. RT, then we have to put the angle and enter key. RT 90. In the 90 degree direction, turtle moves. RT 90. Left turn. This command turns or rotates the turtle to the left direction by a specified angle. Like we have given the syntax LT, then specified angle. LT 90. Then turtle will move to the 90-degree angle. I only turn with RT and LT commands. RT means right turn, LT means left turn command. I don't move full turn, half turn or about turn. Like this is a chart. This is a 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle like this. Right turn 90 degree, it will move like this. And LT 360 degree, and this is RT 45 degree, RT 135 degree. These are the angles given here. If you want to move turtle in any direction, you have to give the angles like this. Clear screen, or we can say CS and draw. CS means clear screen. Both CS and draw commands erase everything on the graphic window and brings turtle to the home position. CS clear screen, press enter, and draw, then press enter. What it will do, it will clear the screen. As you can see, there is nothing in the screen but a turtle. Clear text. This command helps to clear the command window. This is the command window. If you want to clear this command window, then you have to write CT clear text and press the enter key. After giving CT command, you can see there is nothing in the command window. Dobo, always remember, spellings of the primitive should be correct. Means commands of the turtle, what you are going to give should be correct. Always leave a gap between the command and number of steps, like FD gap 50, LT gap 90, space, a single space should be there. Always press the enter key at the end of each command. Else I won't move. Means you have to press the enter key. This is compulsory. Home. This command takes the turtle to the home position. When a turtle moves to home position, it draws the line from the current position to the home position. Home, then press the enter key. If the turtle is here and you press the home command and press the enter key, then turtle will move to this home direction, center of the screen. Thank you.